Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. Behind the wheel, we're going to take you on another aerial drive, full self-drive aerial full self-drive, how am I pronouncing this? Aerial full self-drive perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.8.1 full self-driving software stack. If you are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it.
Red light. Good. I hope we don't get skipped.
I don't think we will.
I like how that double turn always freaks people out when they're both turning from the far lanes, because it almost looks like you're going to clip each other.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
Very great. Hitting the red lights today.
Red light. We're going to hit the red light on the next one, too. Oh, he snorted. Edit that out, please. That's how you know it was a real genuine laugh for me.
It's true. I was thrown off there from that new vision assist thing. It was throwing me off. I was like, man, it's not helping me.
Did you change it over?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good.
What was happening is that it was switching to each of the cameras as I was moving the stick around rather than just sticking with the forward position.
Ah.
And you're like, no.
No.
That's
I
not.
want to see where I'm going.
That's
not what's
not helpful. Hey, when you're a good drone pilot, yes, it does require counter stick movement in all directions to get smooth shots. But I don't need to see all of the directions of the cameras I'm trying to pull off at the same time. I know my altitude's good.
Speed okay?
Yeah.
There were turn signals to go nowhere, just so you know. Why do I have a sinking suspicion that the roundabout's still going to fail?
I don't know. And I'm saying that from I'm genuinely saying I don't know. In 11.4.8.1, I've had some pretty successful maneuvers that surprised me. I told you about the one that was off camera the other day in the road construction area.
No, I know. But I just have a sinking suspicion, the fact that we're back to throwing turn signals like no other.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
I'm going to get over because I got faster cars that are going to probably want to go around me.
No problem.
Plus, if I stay in this lane, it might not dive over into that turn lane.
Good thinking.
Yeah?
Still wanted to.
I like it.
Bad habits die hard.
But I like it. So I said, I have a sinking suspicion it's still going to fail in that round.
I don't know. That's why I said Want to bet $1?
Usual bet.
Usually, all right. Coffee.
I think I won the last usual bet, didn't I?
Yeah.
Open houses.
Lots of them.
Trying to sneak up on me there. Ooh, another open house. Maybe we should commission some artwork for our house. So that when we go to sell it, we can be like, oh no, it's an extra 250,000.
Oh god, it was crazy. I couldn't believe that open house.
Look at ours in the shape of a tree house or a bird's nest.
I know the feature I'm turning off as soon as we land. The new feature I found, well,
The vision assist.
yeah, I'll figure out how to turn that off.
Are you doing okay?
Oh yeah.
Alright, let's see if it does the phantom. Not really phantom. Does it make the wrong decisions? Up here.
Make good choices.
Will you be able to see the big power lines okay?
Mhm.
Well, that was one that it normally tries to dive over.
What was that signaling for? Oh, we're
We
going.
need to get in the right lane.
Yeah, no, we need. This is the right to go left problem. Interesting.
Here.
So coming up ahead, we need to make a left-hand turn, but it was desiring to get into this right-hand lane, and we don't have any traffic behind us.
You got those lines okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Don't worry about me. We're doing our usual drive, so this isn't like anything surprising. And if I lose Wilson, I lose Wilson. At this point,
Well, it was a good run.
it was a good run. We'll get another one.
Some of you made
It was a good run. We'll get another one.
Let's see if it does it incorrectly with the turn lane. Yep.
So it's getting in the lane too soon. We would like to go into that second entrance up there, and the navigation even is routing into that second entrance up there as well.
Jesus.
Man, stubbornly wants to make that wrong.
And then it was like, oh, I'm gonna fix myself. I'm not gonna fix myself. I'm just gonna do it. Yes, I know I'm turning.
Well, thanks you guys for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been First Drive 11.4.8.1 aerial perspective video. A little rough. I've had some better drives off camera, but as
Camera shy.
as you'll see, it's we're just getting used to it on our usual drives. Thanks for tuning in.